Welcome to Urban Crops. I'm Gloria Agir. Did you know that you could make an insecticide from your tomato leaves for the sucking insects in your garden? That's what we're going to talk about today.
Urban Gardening Project. Learning alongside the masters.
Well, our tomato leaves, they give us a compound, toxic alkaloid that it will release when we macerate it. And right now what I'm going to do is chop them up and make them smaller, and then I'm going to marinate them well. So this is what I'm going to do. You can also do it in a blender. A blender would be perfect, but it would turn out very well. And the little leaves are green. In this case, they are green. Remove the green leaves when the tomato starts. Take off the starting leaves. From the base of the stem upwards, we have to pluck those little leaves. So when you pluck those leaves, you can use them. For your insecticide, for those sucking insects, the same whitefly, the fly killer, what they do is suction from the leaves. All those little flies that harm them, it hurts the alkaloid that tomatoes contain. So let's macerate it. We achieve this when we do all this. There we manage to remove it. To remove it, you have to do this. What else could it be? So what I'm going to do is press these leaves well to be able to macerate them. I've already told them that if we can do it faster in the blender, you can do it in the blender and it's a breeze. Good. Stronger than even how I'm doing it, macerated, because here, being blended, it's going to release a lot more. Then we're going to do it here. So as we go along, we see that the little leaves contain liquid. Look, it's moistening the stone I'm using. Look, there's a liquid coming out. Here I have 100 grams of leaves, and I'm going to apply half a liter of water to those 100 grams. It'll be half a liter of water where I'm going to make the mother mix, or rather, I'll prepare half a liter that I will use. So here we have this little bottle where we're going to prepare it, and to prepare, then it's half of our from our volume that we're going to make. I mean, if we're going to make a liter, we prepare half in 100 grams, and that half we apply it to another half liter of water. So in this case, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to apply, I'm going to list what I'm going to use and apply it. So now that I have that, I'm going to mix with the butter with my half liter of water, and I'm going to leave this to 24 hours, and then I'll use it to, I strain it through a cloth to remove it, and here we see the color starting to appear. So we let it sit for 24 hours, and then we'll use it, we'll keep it covered. Alright, 24 hours have passed since we closed our tomato leaf juice here. Let's see how it's going. Here we see it, wow, turned green, it did. It's not that it's going to harm humans and the pets. It only harms insects. Usa process zero. We're using it in a biological way that won't harm us. So let's run it through our cloth, but to filter it. And then we'll use it. So here now, if we look at it, it gives a pretty green color, which is what our little plants have. And it's also coming out here from our insecticide that we are making. Now we're going to apply the dose we have. This would be our mother mix. We'll have to the mother mix. And to prepare it, we're going to apply half from the mother mixture to the application we're going to make. In this case, I'm going to use this atomizer, which is already half full, and I'll top it off with the mother mix. The small bottle is full, which is what I'm going to do. So I have here half a liter that I'm going to make. We're going to apply it until it's complete, since I have half. Then now I'm going to do the other half of the juice I've extracted. Done. Perfect. And now I can apply it to my plants. The same we go like all the applications we do. We're going to spray over above our foliage, and let's apply it. You can apply it to all the plants. It doesn't harm them. It doesn't affect the plants. Humans helping with the account. The birds last store for all of them is that it doesn't work. From there we go to apply it. All the plants you have can do all of that. That's surprising because it's and there we have them protected against insects, this garden. We keep you doing these applications here. It does not apply. Nothing chemical, everything is biological. And as you see, it's healthy. As you know, we haven't had any insect problems because we're always applying it. And it's good to apply this because we're doing prevention before we have the problems. So this is what is going to help us to ensure our plants are always healthy. Both under the leaf and above, we apply it as a mist, just a mist like this. And that's the way we apply, and we'll have a healthy garden. We don't apply any chemical insecticides, but everything we are preparing from the same garden. I prepared it from the same garden. We take the leaves from the same garden. I hope it is very useful. They can share this video with other people. Remember that growing at home means eating fresh and healthy.